How to grow Torenia flower from seed. Torenia is engendered from seed. It requires rich, all-around depleted soil and a warm atmosphere. Since the seeds are moderate developing and very little, it is best to begin them inside 10-12 weeks before the last high state in your general vicinity. Cover the seeds daintily with compost-enhance soil and water well. Abstain from dislodging the seeds when watering. Germination takes around 10-15 days at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Open-air planting can be made when the seedlings are sufficiently substantial to deal with and if all the peril of ice has passed. Transplant them at 6-8 inch separating in the middle. Once more, water well to crumple any air pockets and to give the damp soil a chance to touch the roots. The most effective method to grow Torenia. The outside spot for transplanting must have rich, very much depleted and sodden soil. Increment seepage by spreading a ½ inch of clean sand over your planting region. Ensure that the plants will get daylight every day. Despite the fact that Torenia flourish in midsummer in the semi-shaded area, they require high stickiness and won't endure dry. Water them frequently, particularly in sweltering climate. Yet don't try too hard. Make a point not to leave your Torenia remaining in wet soil or the roots will spoil. Include a 1-inch layer of mulch around the plants. Start by mulching 4 inches far from the stems to designate space for development. Restore the mulch as frequently as important to ceaselessly keep up 1-inch layer. Once your Torenia plants came to around 8 centimeters high, squeeze back the developing tip of the stem to energize expanding. This additional care will give you ragged, conservative and solid-looking plants. Expelling spent sprout heads or deadheading isn't generally important to enhance the presence of your Torenia plants. Truth be told, the seed heads are very satisfying to the sight. Now and again, however, plants may self-seed, so look for modest seedlings in the spring. Utilizing and adjust the 10th of October 2010 NPK compost, prepare Torenia plants once consistently. Make a point to take the bearings and dose legitimately. Counteract root consume by watering the plants when applying the compost.